Okay, before we get started with Inventor, we need to set up our file folder structure so that all our files are in agreement and they're all living in the same house. They're living in the same folder. Very important when we're working with Inventor that all our files are in the same location. So to do that, let's get into our file manager. I'm going to click on this little folder down here, get into our Windows Explorer. File manager, we need to get onto the TechEd Q drive. The TechEd share is our network drive, so we're going to click into the TechEd share here, and we want to get to the students folders. So under students, we'll click on the students folder. You don't have as many as I have there. And then go into S1 for semester 1, and you want to locate your teachers folder. So mine's right there, and then your course, so for Comp Aid drafting. And then find your name. Now, I had a folder there called Test Student is what I'm going to be working with here. So you're going to find your appropriate name. In fact, your appropriate name should be the only folder that shows up there. I don't think you see any of the rest of these students. I'm going to open my student folder up, and in here, I want you to right-click and then go down to New Folder. I want you to call this new folder Inventor. So right click, New Folder, and give it the name Inventor. Okay, in this folder we're going to put all of our Inventor files. We're going to save everything here, and they'll be available for you on the network. Important you set this up because when you are at home, in order to access your work, you got to get onto the school's network. And so just a quick reminder for you that when you are at home, you are going to be accessing your work from this folder from the dashboard. When you launch Chrome, your dashboard launches, you're going to go into My Files down here at the bottom. So we'll go through that same process again. We're going to open My Files and then get into the TechEd server. And when you're in the TechEd server, go to Students, S1, go to your teacher's name, go to Comp Aid Draft, and your folder should be there. Here's Test Student. Notice that new folder I created, Inventor, is there, so I can then access my files here where I can download them to work at home, and then I'm going to upload anything I created. I'm going to upload back to this directory. Make sure you are downloading and uploading from this location. Make sure all of your Inventor work, everything you do in Inventor is living in this Inventor folder and nowhere else. Very important, or you will have problems with your files later on in agreement. So good luck with that.